Hi guys and welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I will show you how to send large videos on Gmail. To start, open your gallery over at your mobile device. On your gallery, select the video you want to share. Tap on Share this time, and then select Email. And then in here it will say the files you are trying to share exceed the attachment limit. Just click OK for now. Now go back to your videos. On your videos, tap on Share once again and then select Drive. In here, we will need to upload our video to our Google Drive. In here, select the folder as to which Google Drive folder you want it to be uploaded in. Once you selected, tap on Save Here. Now tap on Sharing. Click on Add. Then in here, input their email account or their Gmail account. Depending to the person's Gmail account, input it over here so the video will be shared. Now click on Upload on the upper right. On your internet browser, open drive.google.com. Once you're here, wait for the video to finish uploading. On the folder itself, tap on the name of the folder. Click on the drop-down this time. Wait for it to finish loading. Then select Share. In here, switch from Restricted to Anyone with a link. Now tap on Copy Link. Now go to your Gmail address this time, and then in here, input the email, the subject, and then on the body of the email, paste the link over here, and then you can send it to them now. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.